Welcome. If you're looking to tidy up your Pinterest profile and remove boards you no longer need, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to delete a board on Pinterest using the mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to make changes. Once you're in, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you straight to your profile page, where you can see all of your saved content and boards. Next, look for the Boards tab at the top of your profile. Tap on it to view a list of all your boards. Scroll through and find the board you want to delete. Once you've found it, tap on the board to open it up. Now, in the top right corner of the board, you'll see 3 dots arranged vertically. Tap on these 3 dots to open a menu with more options. From this menu, select Edit Board. This will bring up the editing screen for your board. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the Edit Board page. Here, you'll see the Delete option. Tap on Delete, and Pinterest will ask you to confirm your choice. Remember, deleting a board will permanently remove all the pins inside it, so make sure you really want to proceed. To finish, tap Delete Forever to confirm. That's it. Your board and all its pins are now permanently deleted from your profile. A quick tip: if you're unsure about losing your pins, consider moving them to another board before you delete, or use the archive feature to hide the board instead of deleting it for good. Managing your Pinterest boards is a great way to keep your profile organized and focused on what matters most to you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more tips to get the most out of Pinterest.